another unboxing and shopping haul village. These gifts are for my dad because my parents. Sorry, baby. Hello my dear, welcome back for another video, and obviously we are going to have shopping haul and unboxing. These are not for myself, but I bought these gifts for my dad because it was my dad's birthday last July 15, 2020. My parents are supposed to be here by the end of August, but due to COVID-19 pandemic, their flights were cancelled. So we're going to postpone and rebook that next year, hopefully. It's been like 83 days that there is no COVID-19 local transmission here in the Kingdom of Thailand.
Wow!
I will not keep you waiting. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so here is the first item, and this is Under Armour shoes.
Wow!
This is a black box Under Armour shoes, and the size of my dad is 9, or that's UK 8, Euro 42.5, 27 centimeter, and BR 40.5. The original price is 3,990, and I got this for 70% discount. So this is only 1,197 baht. Not bad. So 1197 times 1.60, that's 1,915. Not bad, right? So guess what's the color inside? Any guess? If you are watching my previous videos, you know that I'm obsessed with color. Why? Simple white colored running shoes.
Wow!
From Under Armour, and you can see the logo over here, and there's also the name at the back part of the shoes. And the outsole is rubberized and brown color, and the midsole is black. It's very comfortable. This is the right side, and of course the left side. Simple but very comfortable. And this is 70% discount. If you're watching my videos, I don't usually buy items that are not on sale because I know the deal here in Thailand. If it is on sale, you have to grab it, or else other people will buy or you will not see that anymore when you will return a day after. Okay? So, and of course the logo here inside, and of course another surprise. A lot of papers inside to keep the shape of the shoes. Alright, so there you go. Another item that I bought for my dad is this Zara.
Wow!
So we're going to open. I went to Zara last time because they are on sale. Actually, they're not really on sale, but there are items that are on sale. So I always look for the sale items in Zara. I don't usually buy original prices. But if ever I like something that are on sale, especially if it is lower than 500 baht. So, of course, it's my time to purchase it because that's for my dad, it's for my tatay. And you know, our parents are always close to our heart. And we owe a lot to them. Okay, so I'm going to unbox, or sorry, to present to you what's inside this Zara paper bag, and that's. Ta-da!
Wow!
Lakas makabagets, no? Size XL, but I'm bigger than him because I'm size. Cheka. Wow, very nice and classy, right? It's mustard color and then dark blue here and then gray over here. I always buy items for my dad for him to look baguettes and never be forget. And as I have said, the original price is 1,190 baht. Let me compute. Also, that's 1,904 pesos, or almost 2,000 pesos as well. But take note, I got this for only 390 baht. Amazing! So 390 baht, that's only 624 pesos. Not bad for the sweatshirt like this.
Wow!
So there you go. If you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified on my next unboxing and shopping haul videos. Bye! Oops! Thank you so much to all my friends, relatives, and my dear family for always supporting my vlog, and to those who are always reacting in my FB and Instagram stories. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So if you have requests for the next vlog that you want me to do, please comment down below. Bye!